Here's the short video you requested of my new L1 and how it's plumbed. That is a piece of 1-inch flexible E-heim tubing that splits into a Y down to 3/4 right there, and then those two leads go up the back and feed my returns at the top. Now, pump has been calibrated from just a trickle on my tank to maximum output, and right now it is running on number 3, and you can hear the pump humming. That is loud enough in this quiet room. I can hear it from clear across the room, but if I turn it up anymore it gets really loud. I'll turn it up and let you hear it. That's full speed. Back down to number 3 where I was. In my opinion, that pump is much noisier than many people who have posted videos of their Vectra M1 and L1 pumps on YouTube.